Hey guys, I got this little cute little 3D print. It's meant for a keychain. Please like and subscribe. It will help out the channel to grow, and you can also go to the description where you can get this, basically to be able to print it at least. And if you're wondering, I actually used marker to paint in his eyes and that, because I only have a single color printer. Basics. I can only run one plastic through at a time. And this is a cute little doggy. And later on, I'm going to plan on painting these different prints later on, because I'm going to buy the paints in my local Walmart and other places. And yeah, this cute little doggy. I'll try to keep his original color or whatever plastic I use. I don't plan on painting the whole thing. And please go to the description to go to who actually designed this, and I'll try to put the filament color in the description too, so you can be able to go and get his actual orange, and like and subscribe, and see you next time. Fuji, say hi. And see you next time. And if you wonder, and there's his back. And if you don't want, and I should also say this before I end, if you don't want to have this pin in the back, so these little holes in the back, you can also choose to print them without the holes. So he could just be sitting there without the holes, but yeah. Love the pooch. Be with the pooch. See ya next time.